If you are getting a new computer or simply want to access your Obsidian Vault on a different device, don't worry. Transferring Obsidian notes to another computer is a straightforward process, and in most cases, all of your notes, folders, attachments, and settings can be moved without much difficulty. Whether you use Obsidian for personal journaling, research, note-taking, project management, studying, or knowledge management, it is important to make sure your data transfers correctly. The good news is that there are several easy ways to move your Obsidian Vault to another computer. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Obsidian notes to another computer in 2026, step by step, even if you are completely new to Obsidian. First, it is important to understand that Obsidian stores your notes inside a vault. A vault is simply a folder on your computer that contains all of your markdown files, attachments, images, documents, and configuration settings. Because everything is stored locally inside this folder, transferring your notes usually means transferring the vault folder itself. Start by locating your Obsidian Vault on your current computer. Open Obsidian, select your vault, and check its location if you are unsure where it is stored. Once you find the vault folder, close Obsidian to ensure all files are properly saved before beginning the transfer process. One of the easiest methods is using a USB drive or external storage device. Connect the storage device to your computer and copy the entire vault folder. Make sure you copy the complete folder rather than only individual note files. This helps preserve folder structures, attachments, plugins, themes, and settings. After the copy process is complete, safely disconnect the storage device and connect it to the new computer. Copy the vault folder from the storage device onto the new computer in the location where you want to keep your notes. Now, install Obsidian on the new computer if it is not already installed. Once installed, open Obsidian and select the option to open an existing vault. Browse to the transferred vault folder and select it. Obsidian will load your notes, folders, and most settings automatically. Another popular method is using cloud storage services. You can place your vault folder inside a synchronized cloud folder and allow the files to upload from the original computer, then install the same cloud service on the new computer and wait for the vault to finish downloading before opening it in Obsidian. If you use Obsidian Sync, the process can be even simpler. Sign into the same Obsidian account on the new computer, enable synchronization, and allow your vault to sync. Depending on the amount of data, the process may take some time to complete. After opening the vault on the new computer, spend a few minutes checking your notes and attachments. Verify that images, PDFs, audio files, and embedded content appear correctly. This helps ensure nothing was missed during the transfer. If you use community plugins, some plugins may require reauthorization or updates after moving to a new device. Open the Community Plugins section and confirm that your preferred plugins are enabled and functioning properly. You should also review appearance settings, themes, and hotkeys. Most Vault-specific settings transfer automatically, but certain device-specific preferences may need to be adjusted again. Another useful tip is creating a backup of your Vault before making major changes or moving data. Keeping a backup copy provides additional protection in case something unexpected occurs during the transfer process. Once everything has been verified, continue working from your new computer normally. Your notes, folders, links, and attachments should function exactly as they did on the previous device. So that's how to transfer Obsidian notes to another computer in 2026. The main steps are locating your vault, copying the entire vault folder, transferring it using a USB drive, cloud storage, or Obsidian Sync, opening the vault on the new computer, and verifying that all notes and attachments transferred successfully. Most users can complete the entire process within a short amount of time using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.